Yung vision lang before itong event na to, pero right now po is nangyayari na.
This is a celebration of God's faithfulness.
Ito po ay victory event. Diba? Kasi lahat tayo gusto manalo. Tama ba?
Chosen Event Victory 2026!
Lead with the heart and build with the purpose.
Get out the way. I'm on go. I feel like the goat. It's all I know. Shit that I did it 100 off, then they know it's not a flex. Whoa. Flex. Tell them all, hit the deck. We finna
Iniwala po ko na bawat isa po sa atin dito ay chosen.
they letting them cook. Dog, I'm Curry, they swear I'm the goat. Tell me something I ain't already know.
Yung nilalaban mo, hindi lang basta pangarap mo, kundi pangarap din ng mga taong maniniwala sa'yo. Magpapatuloy ka hanggang ma-reach mo yung destiny.
I'm the greatest of all time.
Get out the way. I'm on go. I feel like the goat.
Kasi darating yung time, kwento mo naman yung ikukwento mo dito.
Whoa. Only one way it could go. I'm at the top of the charts. Right now I'm feeling at home. Whoa. Ay. Don't try to step in my...
He is responsible for the harvest. Ang kailangan lang magtuloy-tuloy ka.
Won't get it cause I've been on my grind. Promise y'all I've been through it and I don't
WTF! Work, trust, and faith.
once been a loser. I've been great since birth. And that's worth
Victory did not come overnight. It was built through faith, obedience, perseverance, and a deep trust in God's timing.
I'm the greatest of all time.
Get out the way. I'm on go. I feel like a goat. It's all I
Naniniwala tayo kay Lord. At naniniwala tayo na ibibigay niya yung desires ng puso niya.
Malapit ka na sa milyon-milyon na income. Onting-onti na lang.
Sa I Am Worldwide, darating ang time, kahit tulog ka, kumikita ka. Kahit na nagbabakasyon ka sa Europe, pag uwi mo, may cheque ka.
But you are here because you are chosen to win.
Totodo mo si I Am Worldwide, naniniwala ko, magkikita-kita tayo sa taas.
Hindi mo kailangan maging magaling agad. Simulan mo with your big vision and big dreams.